guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. So in today's video I'm going to be doing some wand curls on my blow dried hair. I used my Red by Kiss blow dryer to blow my hair out. So let's get into these wand curls. Yeah, I haven't done wand curls on my hair in a while, and I watched Natural 85 Whitney's video, and I was like, you know what, maybe I should. So let's see. This thing is like smoking. This is the Red by Kiss curling one. I think it's like, I'm not sure the size or anything, but yeah, I got this from my local beauty supply store like a few years ago, but it's smoking a little bit. I don't know what's going on over there. No. I am the queen of burning myself, so I have my glove. Y'all, if y'all were wondering, if anyone ever wondered like what the hell is that on her arm, this thing. But I burned myself on the waffle maker. Like, don't ask. I was trying to unplug it, and instead of me closing it and unplugging it, I just tried to reach over it and unplug it, and I burned myself. So there's that. I'm sure I'm going to burn myself, but hopefully, fingers crossed that I don't. Okay, so let's start on this section. Ooh. I'm scared, I'm nervous. I gotta put my glove on. And this thing gets super hot. I'm not even sure how hot it gets. I think it goes up to like 450 degrees or something, but we're gonna see. A little too close to my ear now. Hold up now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Bouncy. Okay, let's proceed. Shall we proceed? Yes, indeed.
Okay.
I wish I had some hairspray. Well, I have that Got To Be hairspray, and I'm not spraying that on my hair because Lord knows that stuff is too hard. Ooh, they're coming out so cute. Let me turn around so I can see this one. So cute. I like it. It'll probably get better once I get to the top. The back, I always struggle with doing the back of my hair. Always. It never fails. So I'm not a natural that's like opposed to putting heat on my hair. I just really try to stay away from putting a lot of heat on my hair because it took me a long time to recover from heat damage. So that's why I try to refrain from heat. The way that I like to do mine, so I take the wand and I wrap my hair around it, and then I kind of twist this part of the wand to get like the roots, and then I wrap my hair around it.
Come find me in the night. We both know when it's right. Babe, I can ease your mind, but I want it my way. So meet me in the crowd. Everything is allowed. Your mind is running wild, but we'll do it my way. Love is a feeling
tired, child. I'm so tired. I'm really tired.
This has taken me 645 years to complete. I
don't like that.
Now I see exactly why I haven't done them in a while. I forgot how long and tedious it is.
Come find me in the night. We both know when it's right. Babe, I can ease your mind, but I want it my.
Bruh.
Okay, y'all, so this is how my hair turned out. I absolutely love it. I have like the cutest little volume. There are a few pieces like this one that just decided that it didn't want to come out to play.
That ain't no problem.
But it's fine, okay? I'm not gonna fight with my hair. I'm not going to redo it. I was going through out my hair when I was like doing certain pieces and like redoing it, but I'm not redoing it, okay? At this point, it's just gonna have to be a fluff, okay? I'm not gonna damage my hair. Just not gonna do that. But anyway, yeah, y'all, so it came out super cute. Like, these curls in the front are starting to drop a little bit, which is fine. I may redo them, but I don't know, it just depends. But I love it. It's so cute. So good. I love the results. I'm loving it. But I promise you, this took me so long to do, I probably won't do it again. Probably for like another year or so. I have to mentally and physically prepare my mind, body, and soul, because my arm right here is like bleeding, okay? Bleeding. I promise. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. I mean, you're here watching my videos, you come back, so I mean, just go ahead and subscribe. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.